In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the ETF Screener in Tradingview. If you're new to Tradingview or you've only used it for charts so far, the ETF Screener can be a really helpful tool. It lets you quickly filter and scan through exchange-traded funds based on things like performance, volume, and other metrics, instead of having to search for each symbol one by one. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to open it so you can start exploring ETFs more efficiently. First, open your web browser and go to the TradingView website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all the features. Once you're on the main TradingView page, look for the section or menu where they list the screeners. You might see options like Stock Screener, Forex Screener, or Crypto Screener, depending on your layout. What you want to do is head to the General Screener area, which is usually labeled as the Stock Screener by default. You can also go directly to the screener page using the main navigation menu at the top of the site. When that screener page loads, it will typically open on stocks first, but don't worry, that's exactly where we need to be to switch to ETFs. On this stock screener page, take a moment to look around the top portion of the screen. Somewhere near the top, you should see a row of options or tabs that let you switch between different types of screeners. Among those options, look specifically for one that says ETF Screener. This ETF Screener option might be grouped right next to the Stock Screener tab or listed in a small drop-down. If you don't see it right away, slowly move your mouse across the available tabs or drop-down menus until you spot the ETF option. TradingView's interface can vary a little with updates, but the label ETF Screener will be clearly visible once you find it. When you see the ETF Screener option, go ahead and click on it. As soon as you click, the view will change from showing individual stocks to showing a list of ETFs. You'll notice that the symbols, names, and metrics in the table are now all ETF related. And from here, you can sort columns, apply filters, and explore different funds based on your criteria. That's all you need to do to access the ETF Screener in TradingView. Open the screener page, locate the ETF Screener label at the top, and click it to switch over to ETF.